Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can already tell from the title, I will be reviewing the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. This needs no introduction, but for those of you who don't know, this palette is Morphe's collaboration with Jaclyn. I had been eyeing this palette since its launch date and I finally have it in my hands. So today I will be speaking about where I got this from, its pricing, the overall quality with a demo of the colors on my eyes. So if you are interested in seeing how this palette works, then please continue watching. If you are seeing me for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos of mine. So without wasting any more time, let's dig right in. First of all, let me say that I absolutely adore Morphe's eyeshadow palettes simply because they are of great quality. I say this because I have quite a few eyeshadow palettes from Morphe. Sadly, Morphe is still not available in India, so I get it from my friends living in the US and Europe. This one I got from Germany. One of my friends got it from there and I'm utterly grateful to her for doing that. She got me a lot of other stuff too, which I will be talking about in a different video. I bought this from Germany's e-com website Douglas. It is a European company which sells beauty and lifestyle products just like we have Nykaa here. One main problem I went through while ordering was that the entire website was in German language. So I had to use the Google Translator back and forth to translate each word. It would be easy for you if you speak or understand little German. Also, they have a lot of brands on board, so I went completely crazy when I saw them. But then I hit the cart limit and I realized I possibly can't afford all that much. You can get this one from Morphe's official website. This palette was lying in my Morphe's cart for some time and it was priced at 43 euros, which was slightly above what I was willing to spend since I was ordering a couple of more things as well. But then I found out about Douglas and they had some amazing offers going on at that time. Douglas only had some of the Morphe palettes, so I got lucky when I found the Jaclyn Hill palette there. And it was available at 34 euros, which comes out to be 3000 Indian rupees. I think they had free shipping over 70 euros, so I added some more products in my cart and ordered this palette right then and there. Since Morphe is a US based brand, their prices are a little affordable in the US. There it is priced at $39, which comes down to 2800 Indian rupees before discounts. So if you can manage it, buying from the US would be more economical any day. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It's stark white in color with the name Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 embossed in the front. And then of course Morphe on the side. Just like the first volume, this white palette is unlike any of the other Morphe palettes with their classic black packaging. And at the back, here she is. She looks absolutely gorgeous and she also has a lovely message for her subscribers. When you open the box, the palette is safely and nicely bubble wrapped. And then you take it out of the bubble wrap and here is the palette in all its glory. Once you open the palette, it's absolutely breathtaking. This is a full-on warm colorful palette. It has pinks, plums, neon orange, neon pinks and a couple of browns too. The good thing is that the name of the shades are mentioned right under them, which is again different from the other Morphe palettes where you get a plastic sheet which has names mentioned on it. Also, if you guys notice, Jaclyn has given very interesting names to the shadows. This palette has a total of 35 shades split across 5 rows and 7 columns. I have used this palette quite a few times before reviewing it for you guys. I will insert some pictures on the screen which I have created using this palette. All these looks are on my Instagram, so if you are interested in seeing how I create, I make mini makeup tutorials on my Instagram, so make sure you check them out. Now I will show you the swatches of all the 35 shades followed by how I created these two looks using these shadows. For swatches, I will show you 2 rows at a time starting with this pale shade Certified. So I have prepped my eyes with the concealer and we are ready to dig right in, and the first shade which I'm going to be using is this Black Temptress. It's a black shade and it's the deepest black I own. I have compared it with the black in the 39A Morphe palette and hands down this color won. Here I'm trying to create a faux crease, because I have hooded eyes. Now I'm taking this shade Crazy and I will pack it right over the shade Temptress. Now I'm gonna take the shade Dance Party and blend it with the shade Crazy. Did you see that, guys? It is very pigmented and I'm not making this up. It's right in front of you. Even though I have used this palette a couple of times before reviewing it for you guys, it still surprises me. And for the blown out effect, I will be using this shade Tipsy Girl. Now I'm cutting the crease. I have cut the crease and now I will create a faded liner effect using the same three shades. On this eye, I will be going for a subdued look and I will try using the tans and the browns from this palette. And the first shade which I'm using is this Homebody. Now I'm using the shade Homebody and I'm creating a fog crease. Now I'm blending the edges with the shade Grateful. Guys, I really want to show you how this yellow shade works. So I will be blowing out my edges with the shade No Joke. Now I will set the concealed area with this shade Certified. And I will use this shade Homebody to create a wing liner. Now I will quickly finish off my base and be right back. I think you guys can already tell my verdict on this one as you saw me creating those looks without having to work too much. It is definitely a very colorful and pigmented eyeshadow palette and I have tried creating some out there kind of looks for you guys so that I can do some justice to this beauty. To conclude, I really had high expectations from this palette and it has everything I was hoping for. I feel this is a beautiful palette with an exceptional color theory. I love purples, pinks and reds. They are pretty intense and they come off very pigmented on the eyes. Morphe never disappoints when it comes to their eyeshadow palettes, plus they are affordable. Also, you get 35 beautiful pigmented shades for 3K. There is only a little fallout in the pan, but while using it on my eyes, there is no fallout. Only for some dark colors, you may find some. I have used it multiple times and then I'm recommending it to you guys. Go for it, guys, it won't disappoint you. The palette is right up my alley and I'm looking forward to creating a lot of colorful looks with it. Overall, I would rate it 9 out of 10. And that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.